Today, I'm going to show you the lazy ways to create a Canva template pack for your business so you're not redesigning the same post every single week. If your content feels chaotic, you're constantly hunting through old designs, or you keep thinking, I should really make this look on brand. This video is going to calm that down. By the end, you'll have a simple system to build your own reusable templates in Canva. And if you need a shortcut and get your template pack done for you, I'm dropping a link below so you can sign up for my custom template pack. I know. So you get a turnkey Canva template pack, custom design for your business to save you tons of time. So you can create content faster, stay consistent, and look like you actually have a design team when it's literally just you. Okay, first lazy move. Don't make templates for everything. Pick one clear use case. Instead of trying to build a giant template library in one go, choose one area of your business where you feel the most friction. For example, Instagram posts, Reels covers or stories, weekly newsletter graphics, client-facing PDFs or slide decks. Your first template pack is just your starter system for that one channel. Let's say you pick Instagram. Right now, you're maybe posting 1 or 2 times a week because content takes forever. With a solid template pack, you can batch 4 to 5 posts in the same time it used to take to make one. More consistent posts equals more profile visits, more DMs, more chances for people to find your offers. If you're not sure where your visuals are a bit all over the place, I have a free brand consistency scorecard. You can grab the link below in the description. Within 10 minutes, you'll see exactly where your brand is leaking trust and what to fix first. You don't need some mega all platforms in one system on day one. Pick one space where you show up the most and build for that first. Once that feels easy, you can expand. Second lazy move. Your best templates already exist. They're just hiding in your old design. Instead of starting from a blank Canva file, you're going to mine your past content for layouts that worked, posts that got saves, shares, replies, posts that you look and go, wow, that actually looks good. Designs that sort of already feel on brand. And now you're gonna go inside Canva, go to projects and search for Instagram, carousel, promo, testimonial, reel cover, whatever fits your use case. Open those old documents and copy the best pages into one new file. Name it something like IG templates master file. Aim for 10 to 20 layouts for your first pack, for example. 4 to 6 educational carousel designs, 3-4 quote or hot take designs, 2-3 promo offer posts, 2 testimonial layouts. Now think in terms of time. If a post from scratch takes you 30 to 40 minutes, using a template can cut that into 10 to 15 minutes. If you batch 5 posts, that's the difference between a 3-hour session and a 60 to 90-minute session. Over a month, that's hours back for you. And less decision fatigue every time you sit down to make content. You just need enough reliable, repeatable structures that you can plug new content into. Start with your greatest hits and pull those into one place. Now we're going to turn those random old posts into real templates your future self will thank you for. A proper template is easy to edit, hard to accidentally ruin, and consistent with your brand. So we're going to clean each slide so you can plug in new ideas quickly without fighting the layout. Slide by slide, do this. Use frames for all images. Replace static images with Canva frames so future you just drags in new photos or screenshots. 2. Standardize text styles. Pick 1 or 2 heading styles, 1 subheading, 1 body style. Keep font sizes and spacing consistent so everything feels cohesive in your feed. For example, headings, all caps bold, subheading, sentence case, body, smaller, high contrast, easy to skim. Limit your colors. Keep each design to 2 to 3 brand colors and 1 neutral. Use your brand kit or Canva styles so you can switch the whole vibe with one click later. If you need help choosing the right colors for your brand, I've linked my brand color starter below in the description so you can immediately either create your own color palette with ease or pick one of my provided color palette options to use for your brand. Or if you're confused about pairing your fonts, you can also grab my font pairing guide, linked below again in the description, for free to guide you through it. This part can feel a bit bit tedious, but you only do it once. Every hour you spend now will pay you back every week when you're making content half the time it used to take you. And your grid finally looks like it belongs to the same brand. Now, let's make sure the future you actually find and reuse these templates without wanting to scream. Your templates only save you time if they're easy to access and clearly named. So we're going to give them a simple structure inside Canva. Reorder slides by category, all promo posts together, all testimonials together, all education or carousel posts together, and all quotes all together. And use page titles. Rename each page in the sidebar. This makes it super quick to scan and pick. Thought this would be obvious, but save it somewhere obvious. Add it to a folder like brand templates. If you have Canva Pro, you can also save it as a brand template so it shows up under your brand hub. What you get from this is not just speed, it's mental clarity. When you sit down to make content, you're choosing from 10 to 20 pre-decided layouts instead of 1,000 possible Canva templates. This is the difference between I should post something and okay, I'll grab template number 4, plug in today's tip, and I'm done in 10 minutes. Structure is what makes it feel lazy in the best way. Last step, turn your template pack into a weekly ritual so your content almost runs on autopilot. Instead of designing on the fly every day, you'll give yourself 1 template hour per week to batch content using your pack. Here's a simple flow. Before your template hour, brain dump your ideas. Client questions, tips, behind the scenes moments. Match each idea loosely to a template type. Tip, carousel, quote, text post, offer, promo. And during your template hour, open your master template file, duplicate the layouts you need for the week, swap text, photos, and adjust any colors if needed. Then download from Canva. Next, track your wins. Notice how many posts you get done in 1 hour. Over time, that 1 hour can easily give you a week worth of content. More consistent posting equals more eyeballs on your product or services, more people clicking your links, and more chances to sell what you actually do. The goal isn't to become a full-on Canva person. The goal is to spend less time designing and more time delivering your offers, talking to leads, and living your life. A solid template pack plus 1 hour a week can absolutely get you there. So here you have it. That's the lazy way to create a Canva template pack for your business. One clear use case, steal from your best past designs, clean them into a real usable templates, organize them like a system, and give yourself 1 template hour to actually use them. You don't need to be good at design to look consistent and professional online. You just need a set of layouts that do the heavy lifting for you. Now you got a Canva template pack ready for your business. The next thing that will instantly level it up is your colors. If you want help choosing a color palette that actually looks polished and attracts the right people, watch this video next. Because when you combine strong templates with a smart color palette, your whole brand starts looking premium without extra effort. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Go make your life easier in Canva, and I'll see you in the next video.